If you're seeing this message, this is your love reading. Spirit guides wants to tell you this message. And ito ang gustong sabihin sa'yo na mga gabay mo. I'm channeling here the message for the collective reading. Whoever who resonates with this video, this reading is meant to find you today. Six of Cups, Three of Swords. Okay, in the past, this person hurt you a lot. Talagang wala nang natira sa'yo, even yung sarili mo. Masyado mong binaba dito sa tao na to. I'm channeling here that your person wants to communicate with you because he wanted to know what's going on with your mind and gusto niyang bumalik sa'yo actually. So, maaaring nagkalayo kayo dahil hindi kasi